Monster Energy Yamaha MotoGP has launched the 2023 YZR M1, which Fabio Quartararo and Franco Morbidelli will bring to the track in the next MotoGP season. Thus begins the new season of Team 2023, which this year should aim to take the world title, which last year was won by Pecco Bagnaia. The 2023 Yamaha M1 comes in a fresh new blue-black camouflage look, blending the Yamaha colors with the addition of a new gray, with the Monster Energy lifestyle color scheme. The main sponsor logo, Monster, remains clearly visible on the bike, on the team logo and on the rider's uniform. Fabio Quartararo said, "We have a new camo livery, which is a nice change. I love the new look. But more importantly, I can't wait to start driving again."